Rainstick. Now, this is one that my brother did earlier this week. And this is the sound that it makes. Now, as you can see, it actually sounds like a bit like rain, but don't do this, please. Hurts my ear. So all you'll need is 2 toilet rolls or 1 big one from Glad Wrap or baking paper, paint textures, rice, dried rice, 3 to 4 elastic rubber bands, and then 2 pieces of foil folded in half. Now, firstly, get your textures or paints and decorate this. I'm not really gonna waste my time doing this in this video because it will take way too long. So, by the power of editing, I will make a roll appear behind that is already decorated. Now, as you can see, I have used some contact. I have my name, me, and the sun. Now, you can do a bit more decorating with this. It's just that I used contact. I'm not going to pop that one. Wait, oh, I need it. So, get your foil 1 piece. Now, you can fold it in half again if you want to. I'm just going to pop that. I'm going to fold it in half again. Like that. Now, it's not perfectly in half again, but it'll do. Now, only do it for one side. So place that down like so. Then get your rubber band. Might want an adult to help you if you need to, or if you want to try and do it by yourself, then that's okay. And then do it twice so it holds on. Now, get your rice and pour it into the other end. Only a little bit now. I've got a lot. I'm only going to pour like half of it or something. Be very careful. I reckon that should do. Okay. Now I'll get my other one. Maybe get an adult to hold this for you. Fold that again. And do the exact same step as you did on this end. Down. Get another and try not to get any holes in it, because otherwise the rice will really fall out. Down that. And now I have my rain stick. I think this looks pretty good, and I hope yours looks the same. Bye.